Well, it's spring now and the weather's warming up and it's mowing season again, so time to start some mower videos. So I was overviewing some of my mowers and there's a patch of grass I wanted to mow and was trying to decide what mower I wanted to use. A few of them need some work, need some repairs. Came down to this one, though I have other ones I could use, but I thought, well, I'll use the Mastercut, and it ran a few months, several months back, but last time it ran, the grass chute came off, and pin fell out and got lost somewhere, so it's usually how they got a pin with some kind of pressed on caps a lot of the time, and they pop off and you get lost. But anyway, so it's looking like that might be let's see, plastic might be slightly cracked actually there, but we're gonna try to come up with some quick fix for getting it back on. I think I might be able to just maybe get a bolt through there, but I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna look at it here, see what we can come up with. Alright, we got it back on. Probably not the best job in the world, but it's functional anyway. It's a couple bolts here with nuts, double nut on that end, washers. Long one here. This is kind of cheesy because it's cracked. I drilled a hole in this other extra tab that was here next to double nut it. Looks good to me, so it'll work till the plastic cracks over here or whatever, but at least get some more use out of it. I could have also probably drilled holes and bolted it straight down, but I just didn't feel like doing that. So anyway, had that not been cracked, you could have just ran either a couple short bolts here, which I've done before, or if you have a long enough piece of straight threaded rod, just run a straight threaded rod through and put double nuts on each end inside. That would have worked too. But anyway, that should be sturdy enough to last us a while anyway. So next I was going to go to starting, but I looked in the fuel tank. There's a bunch of crud in there, and looks like there might be a little bit of water in there too. Where this mower was stored wasn't the best storage situation, unfortunately. So looked like there's a little bit of moisture in the bottom of the tank, and there's a lot of large chunks of crud in there. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I'm going to pull this tank off, and tank and carburetor off, and try to rinse that out before we start it up. Alright, got it off. As you can see, it's got a whole bunch of grass clippings and crud on there. I have to blow that off. And I'm not going to attempt to disassemble the carburetor or anything, because last time I ran this it seemed to be running just fine. So we'll just put some, dump some gas down the tank and swish it around, dump it out, try to clean it out that way. Hopefully get everything that we can out. Maybe dry it out, blow it out with the compressed air. And hopefully we'll be good to go. Okay, we're back a couple days later. And blow most of the crud off of this. I think I got most of it out from the inside. Exterior's still pretty dirty. I probably could have cleaned it better, but anyway, let's hook back up. Alright, I already checked the oil. Just got to put a little bit of gas in it.